Do you have brassy hair? Hair which is too yellow or too golden? In this video, we're going to show you how to fix it. Now, people sometimes ask us, can't I just use toner on this? And the answer is, we're going to use toner. But first, we've got to deal with those roots. We've got to fix those roots, and we've got to lift that part up until it's equal with the rest of the hair. And the lightener we're going to use is Brilliant Blonde. We recommend it because it works very fast and it's very safe and effective. It's been designed for dark bases, so it can lift a lot, up to 8 levels in fact. We make our mix 1 part Brilliant Blonde to 2 parts Developer. We want to make it nice and creamy so we can apply it really fast. And this is what it looks like when it's been mixed. And then we go ahead and we apply it on the regrowth area only, wherever it's yellow or brassy. The idea is to get this bit up to the same level as the rest of the hair. And when it's done, the regrowth area is going to look like this. Now, people always ask, how long should I leave this in the hair? And the answer is, there's no one answer. You've got to keep checking, and rinse when the hair has been lifted to the correct level. Actually, with our model, it didn't take us very long. She already had fairly light hair. It took us about 10 minutes of bleach processing. And we're going to tone with 10.1B Extra Light Cold Ash Blonde. And this is one of our favorite toners because it's got tons of blue pigments which act really well to neutralize the yellow which is remaining in the hair, which is what you need a toner to do. And you can see that while we're applying, the color is actually changing. It's going gray. And this is a sign that those pigments are working, they're kicking in, and they're killing the yellow, killing the brassiness in the hair. And we rinse one more time. So here's a final result, and you can see we've totally got rid of all the brassiness, all the yellow, all the gold, and we've got this very nice blue-based cold ash blonde result. Enjoy!